Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today, I will be reading Say Hello to Bat the Cat by Caitlin Houtilainen. Before I begin reading, I would like to give a big thanks to the author for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I have included links where you may find and purchase this book. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say hello to Bat the Cat. For Oliver. Say hello to Bat the Cat. Written and illustrated by Caitlin Houtilainen. Bat the Cat is an international kitty traveling the world and exploring many cities. He wants to share some new ways to say hello to your friends later today. Hey, Bat the Cat. What a colorful hat. Namaste. Can you find Bat the jungle cat? Bonjour, Bat the Cat. Do you like your red mat? Ciao, Bat. Where did you get that laureate? Hola, Bat the Cat. What are you looking at? Привет, Bat the Cat. Do you see the rat? Hallo, Duke Bat, the aristocrat. Konnichiwa, Bat. How beautiful is that? We've been traveling the globe, but there is no place like home. Oh, how the time flies. Now it is time for some goodbyes. Hey, hey. Alvida. Au revoir. Arrivederci. Adios. Do svidania. Auf Wiedersehen. Sayonara. The end. About the author. Caitlin Houtilainen is an American living in Helsinki, Finland. She began writing children's books during maternity leave after her son was born in 2019. Caitlin grew up on the East Coast of the USA in a small town in western Massachusetts. She attended university in Rhode Island before moving to France as an exchange student. She fell in love with Europe before she knew it. She was continuing her studies and living in France, where she met her husband. She moved to Helsinki, Finland in 2015. Other books by the same author. Good Night, Ollie. ABCs of NPPs. The end. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.